A for
afternoon,
B for
morning,
C for
tattoo,
D for
doggy,
E for
arrow,
F for
fish,
G for
degu,
না G for
nephew,
H for
tattoo,
I for
ice cream,
J
ice cream,
J for
ice cream,
J for
guy,
Jug
guy,
jug
leg,
K for কি K for
tattoo,
L for
yeah, you know,
M for
tattoo,
N for
yeah, you know,
O for
you know,
P for কি দেখাও P for
one,
P for P P for
one,
P আচ্ছা Q for Q তে বলো
you one,
কি Q তে
cute,
কুইন